Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will study about classes. Class is a collection of data members as well as function members. It is used for creating objects. We have defined class another. To define class, class keyword is used. Data members are variables which can used in class and function which stores values. Let's define some data members. Here we have defined two data members, fname and lname, which will store first name and last name. To assign values, now we will create a function which accepts two arguments and assign values to this instance variable. All other things are same as in function as we have seen in function chapter. Let's define another function for printing values of these variables. We define getName method which will simply prints name on the console window. Now let's create object to access this method. We have created object OB of another class. To call this method, we will use ob.functionName. We can see IntelliSense is not showing the method because we have defined this method as a private, which is by default private. So we have to change it with public. Now we can see method is there setName. So we will pass two parameters and we will call this method. We will also utilize the getName method which will show the name. And let's run it. We can see the name, which is a full name, is printed on the console window. So this is the use of class. Thank you.